We just watched the documentary Manila 1945.
Hindi siya yung ordinary na traditional na parang film about history.
It speaks to the times for the youth. It's really fast-paced, it's easy to grasp.
Ang sarap panoorin. It would catch your attention kaagad.
The documentary was able to give information that helped us feel as if we were there.
It's like you're traveling through time back to Manila in 1945.
It reminds us really of a very significant part of our history.
Now that may gantong film na mas relatable sa age namin, aside from the awareness, the way it was presented, it can provoke kasi students and the young people to actually do something.
Napakaganda ng film na to para sa ating mga kabataan na maimulat yung ating mga mata at magising yung mga diwa nating natutulog para muling buhayin yung ating adhika na unti-unti nang nawawala dahil sa binigyan tayo ng huwad na kalayaan.
It was not just about history per se, but what can we learn from history and how can we use history to solve our present social illnesses. So I think that's very powerful.
Sa documentarying to, nagbubukas ito ng mga bagong opportunity at ng mga bagong pinto para gumawa tayo ng paraan. Tayong mga kabataan, gumawa tayo ng paraan para matuldukan na yung mga pangyayaring ito.
It makes us aware as artists, not just to produce what we feel inside, but also what's relevant to others.
Thank you very much to the producers and the filmmaker for this wonderful film.
Gusto ko siyang ipakita sa lola ko.
Now that I saw that, I felt like I came out of this room as a Filipino. And ang galing kasi kaya palang gawin ng isang pelikula yun.